In our previous lectures, we have laid the foundation by exploring the types of memory and the processes that shape how we learn and remember. Today, we are shifting our focus to the external and internal factors that significantly influence the effectiveness of our memory. Number 1. Attention. Attention is the gateway to memory. It's the spotlight that you shine on information, determining what gets encoded and stored. When you are distracted or not paying attention, the encoding process is hampered and the information is less likely to be remembered. Selective attention. This is the ability to focus on one thing while filtering out distractions. It's like tuning into a specific radio station while ignoring others. Divided attention. This involves trying to focus on multiple things at once. While we might think we are multitasking, our brains are actually rapidly switching back and forth between tasks, which can impair memory. Sustained attention. This is the ability to maintain focus on a task for an extended period. It's essential for deep learning and understanding. Number 2. Motivation. Motivation is the fuel that drives our desire to learn and remember. When you are motivated, you are more likely to engage with the material, make connections, and finding personal meaning in what you are learning. This leads to stronger encoding and better retention. Think of it like this. When you are excited about a topic, you are more likely to remember details than when you are bored or disinterested. Number 3. Sleep. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, the process by which memories are strengthened and stabilized. During sleep, your brain replays the events of the day, solidifying important information and discarding irrelevant details. Getting enough sleep is essential for optimal memory function. REM sleep. This is the stage of sleep associated with vivid dreams. It's thought to play a role in consolidating emotional and procedural memories. Non-REM sleep. This stage is important for consolidating declarative memories, facts, and events. Key takeaways. Attention is essential for encoding information into memory. Motivation fuels our desire to learn and remember. Sleep plays a crucial role in consolidating and strengthening memory. By understanding these factors, you can take steps to optimize your learning environment, cultivate intrinsic motivation, and prioritize sleep to unlock your full memory potential.